So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas, I hope you have the near and the dear ones, the old and the young.
Hola a todos, gracias por venir al quinto recital de canciones en inglés y bienvenidos. Aquí estamos otro año más con nuestras canciones. Como no creemos que el fin del mundo llegue hoy, ni mucho menos, y que ni mucho menos esté cerca, vamos a empezar nuestro recital. Los chicos y chicas de segundo de ESO A, B, D y E y de tercero de ESO A van a cantar 6 canciones. Las dos últimas serán 2 villancicos. La primera canción es Forever Young, de Alphaville, aquí en versión de One Direction. Ya conocéis el grupo One Direction, un grupo de chicos irlandeses y británicos, que se formó en julio de 2010. Un gran éxito musical que les ha catapultado a la fama. La interpretarán los alumnos y alumnas de segundo de ESO B. Ellos serán los primeros, así que un fuerte aplauso para animarlos.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heading away, watching the sky, hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. How you gonna drop the bomb on us? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in the sun, people, life is a short trip.
canción es Little Things, también de One Direction. Esta canción se ha convertido también en un éxito. Es una canción melódica y será interpretada por 4 alumnas de segundo de SOD. María Latorre, Mireia Pardo, Alicia Madaleno y María Sánchez. La van a cantar a capela, que quiere decir que la van a cantar en directo. Así que tenéis que estar en silencio y por supuesto al final vais a aplaudirles porque lo hacen muy muy bien. Un fuerte aplauso.
Your hand feels in mine like it's made just for me. But bird is in mine, it was meant to be. And I joining up the dots with your freckles on your cheeks. And it all makes sense to me. I know you never know the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You never know your stomach goes dies. The dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things. You can go to bed without a cup of tea. And maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all the conversation are the secrets that I keep through. It makes no sense to me. I want you never know the sound of your voice. Someday you never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But it's you, they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you never treat yourself half as much as I love you. You never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, I just like these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, they add up to. And I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all your little things.